Special counsel Jack Smith is evaluating how to wind down the two federal criminal cases against Donald Trump before he takes office in January. We're hearing that from a person familiar with Smith's thinking. Now, this is a result of a long-standing Justice Department policy that says sitting presidents cannot be prosecuted. And we're told that Smith intends to comply with that policy and move to end both of the cases before Trump is inaugurated in January. That would avert a definite collision or clash with Trump, who has pledged to fire Smith within, quote, 2 seconds of taking office. Just as a reminder, the two criminal cases involve allegations that Trump plotted to overturn the results of the 2020 election, and a separate case charging him with illegally hoarding classified documents at his Mar-a-Lago estate in Florida. Trump also faces a critical court date this month in a state-level hush money prosecution in New York. That's a case that resulted in his conviction last spring. It's a case in which he was charged with falsifying business records to cover up a hush money payment to a porn actor who alleged that she had sex with Trump in 2006. Trump was convicted of 34 felony counts. He's likely going to argue now that there's no way that the case can proceed towards sentencing in light of the fact that he's going to take office in January, and we'll have to see how the judge responds.